Welcome to XLTOOL. Excel to Tally software. Import unlimited Excel data into Tally. Let's see. Procedure 4. How to take Tally company backup. Open Tally any company. Select Company Shut option. Select Backup option. In Source, enter company saved files path. In Destination, enter Backup Store path. Select company, which need to backup. Select End of list. Press Yes. Backup process completed. Check and confirm the backup file. In Destination path. Process completed. Try XLTOOL. Excel to Tally software now. Import unlimited Excel data into Tally. Thank you.